Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make rotation text intro in the Blender. We started by adding a text, shift A, click text, then rotate it on x-axis by 90 degrees. Go on object data properties. We need to add some geometry. Extrude set to be 0.15 and on depth set 0.01 and on paragraph we need to make our text be center on horizontal. Select center. If you like to use the same font description, you can download it. So I choose my font. After that I needed to edit my text. Click tab and type your text which you want. I type Blender, then click tab to back on object mode. Now I needed to duplicate text, shift D, enter. Then this second text I needed to change the offset to be negative 0.03, just like that. After that I click G and I move on the Y axis and I move just a little bit, just like this, to get a nice text. So after that I need to add a plane. Click shift A and add a plane and click a plane, then scale just a little bit, just like that. And after that click tab and we need to select these 3 edges. Click E to exclude it and then Z to go to exclude it on Z axis. Click it, select all right click and bevel edges, just like scale. Move your mouse to scale just like this and go on a bevel, set segment to be 25 and click tab to back in object mode, right click, shade to add it shade smooth. So now we need to add some light. Shift A and add area light. Click G to move on Z axis, move up to our text just like that, and you can scale on X axis like that. And we need to set power to be 50 and color I choose orange color. Then go on render setting, make sure you enable ambient collision and distance set 1, enable bloom, enable skin space reflection and enable outlet trace and enable reflection and enable also motion blue. After that when you go and render you see what happened, just like this view. We needed to add another light, so for now we're going to add point light. Click G and move on left side of our text, move up just like that. And for this point light we needed to change light color to be blue and shift D, move on right side of our text just like that. And when you go back on render you will see nice light. So another final light, we need to shift this area light, shift D to duplicate, then we move from backward of our text. So click G and move up just like this. So when you go and land again, you'll see this nice light. So for this earlier light, second earlier light, I changed color to be pink light. So just like that. So now we're going to add material for all objects. We start with text. So select the fixed text and we're going to add material. So base color I choose orange, and on roughness I set roughness to be 0.4, and the second text I change material to emission material. So when you go and render, you will see the nice text. So we need to move down this plane quickly, just like that, to see our text good. So now we're going to add material to the plane. Select plane, add new material, and open another window to go on shader editor. Click enter to remove that, and we're going to add noise texture and color lamp. So shift A on texture, select noise texture, and add a color lamp. Search for color lamp. So now we need to connect color to fact and color to roughness. So select this black out and set position to be 0.3, and on noise texture scale set to 25. So when you go and render, you will see the nice to see our text in the middle, and shift A, select camera and click Control plus Alt plus 0 to set camera on viewpoint. Then we can click G to move on Y axis and rotate on X to see our text, just like that. Sure your camera view on the middle of our text. So just like that, I found that is good position for our camera. So now we need to add empty. Shift A and click empty, and then choose cube. We need to scale this empty cube as the same size of our text, so you can scale just like that. I think that is enough, and clicking on pad 1, scale on X axis again, then on Z axis, just like that, and move on to our text, and go on upper view, then scale on Y axis just like that to fit our text. So start select a text, click shift and select another text, then click area lamp and also click empty. So Control P to set a parent of to object. So now we need to animate our text. So go on the timeline, set end frame to be 50. So select a cube empty and we need to scale this timeline just like that. In frame 1, set your timeline to be on frame 1 and we need to set it to add a keyframe. Click N on the rotation. We add a keyframe on Z axis. So on Z axis, set rotation to be -90, just like that, and click your eye to add a keyframe. Then go on frame 5 and set keyframe to be 40, -40 rotation. Click I to add a keyframe. Then go on frame 45, and set the Z rotation to be 45, just like that, and click I to add a keyframe. Then on end frame 50, set the axis to be 90, rotation to be 90, just like that, and add a keyframe. So when you go back and play, you will see. So we don't need this. We need to go on timeline, edit, click A to select all or keyframe, and click T, set our keyframe to be linear. So when you go back and play, you will see nice rotation. Now we're going to render our animation. So go on render setting, set the sampling render to be 10 and viewport I set it also 10, and go on output properties. I'm going to set my folder. I set my folder on desktop, so name I set text animation. I name text animation, just like that, and I click enter. Then I set my file name to be render. Accept. Set format to be FFM file, and encoding container I set MP4, and output quiet I using iQuiet. On audio I don't use any audio. So now go and render animation. After finish render that text, click tab, delete that text and type new text. I type text. Now in second text also I type the same text. So after finish change the text, go on the same folder that you render that animation and change file to be text and click enter, then accept. So after that go and render your animation again. finish render that text, go back again and change this text to be I type animation. And also second text, just like that. So select all text and click S to scale, just like that, and go and render. So after that, go again on the same folder that we have rendered our two animation. So change the file name to be animation and accept it. Now go and render again animation. After finish render all my animation, I go on video editing and go on timeline, set end frame to be 150 and go back on frame 1, click add to choose movie and go on your folder that you will save your animation, and I start select render and add, then clicking on a keyboard page up to go to jump on end frame of this animation and add another movie. And now we need to add text, click add script. So click again page up to jump on end frame of that animation and click add, choose movie and select another animation, so add a movie. So now when we play, you see nice rotation to our text, just like that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. In final, I will tell you to go and render your animation.